Passing the NCLEX is just one part of it. You have to do your application to the state board in order to get everything, issued or everything done. Alright, so hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I know a lot of persons have already passed their NCLEX, and as usual, congratulations, you've made another major milestone in your life. You understand? And so that is something that we are excited about. But either way, the excitement has to stop at one point, and you have to focus on making sure that you get your nursing license issued. So I'm just going to walk you through the step-by-step process of making sure that there is no hiccup along the way with you getting your nursing license. If you're subscribers here to the channel though, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe, like, share, turn your notification bell on. Follow me on TikTok at FitNursing1 as well as on YouTube at FitNursing. The first thing you want to do though is make sure you confirm your pass. You will receive an official email from the Board of Nursing, and it usually will tell you that you've passed your exam, or you can also go on the State Board of Nursing website to also get that result. Sometimes peers of you do give you your results in 48 hours, but remember that's not official, it's unofficial, and so you have to just wait until the board confirm your pass and then will issue your license. The next thing you want to do is make sure your application is complete. Passing the NCLEX is just one part of it. You have to do your application to the state board in order to get everything, issued or everything done. So you first need to make sure that you do your application, and it usually includes you paying a little fee for the application. Sometimes you have to get a transcript, sometimes you have to get a background check, and some places do require you to have a fingerprint. So it depends on the state you're in. If there's anything missing, they usually will hold your license until it is submitted. It's very important for you to make sure that you are in contact with the nursing board, or making sure that your email is, alerting you of anything that is delaying your license. The other thing is regarding a background check and fingerprint. A lot of states definitely want you to get your background check and your fingerprinting done after your NCLEX. And if you haven't, scheduled it, then you have to go ahead and do that, because sometimes it can take like days. It can also take a week before you get it, and you don't want to have any delay with you receiving your license, especially with the state of California. It's difficult to get your license there. It takes a long time. So just make sure you put some speed in this application process. The other thing is go ahead and track your application online. Go ahead and check your Board of Nursing for any updates. You want to look to make sure that you don't see anything like pending or anything that is saying awaiting results. You understand? You want to ensure that you're seeing ready for issue1. So some states usually process their license in like 2 to 3 days, or it might take a few weeks, but just stay on top of things, be informed of what's happening with your license, and if there is any delay, then definitely go ahead and contact them. If there is a delay in you getting your license after you've submitted your application, and it is like say 3 to 4 weeks, I would say go ahead and reach out to them. Just be a little bit polite when you're doing it. Get information like your name, date of birth, your test date, your ID number, anything that will help with you getting quick information from them. That will be very helpful, because once you're able to provide that information, they're able to pull up your file and give you the best update on your status. The next thing is that you want to verify your license. So once they issue your license, you want to just go ahead and check on the State Board of Nursing to see that it is official. Go ahead and register on nursery.com, so that way you can always get any status update or changes on your license. So all of those information will be there, and it will alert you throughout the years. The next thing after you've gotten your license is make sure that you check the status of it. Go online, get a copy of it, make sure that it is official. You want to go ahead and send a copy to your employer, update it on your resume, and as I say, put it on the nursery account. And also I would encourage you to go ahead and get your malpractice license, because you want to ensure that not only the company that you're working with is protecting you, but you want to find yourself with your own insurance to be a little bit more comfortable when you're working. All right, and so I do hope that these tips were very beneficial to you. If there's anything else that I missed, go ahead and leave it in the comment box below. But definitely share your tips here and follow me on Fit Nursing for more information regarding nursing, travel, and lifestyle. And I just want you to know that this is just the beginning. You understand? This is just the beginning. And don't be scared when you go out there. Just go out and be very optimistic. Be very hungry, you understand, to learn to take care of patients and be one of those change agents, and make sure you're advocating for your patients and not live streaming while doing your work. That's the most important thing. Getting the NCLEX is one, and it was very hard. Yes, it's a big journey. It's a very hard journey. The process is very hard. But to lose it, simple things like live streaming can get that thing gone from your name. The RN gone from your name in like the blink of an eye. All right, so definitely make sure you're thinking about what you're doing when you start out, and congratulations again, and you got this. All right, until then, I will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube page at Think Nursing, and my TikTok, follow me there at Think Nursing 1, and just be a part of the channel where it's all about nursing, travel, and lifestyle. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye.